Sawadee ka. When you think of Thailand, what comes to mind? Well, a lot of things. In terms of drinks, it is Thai milk tea. In terms of food, exotic food, Thai food. And when it comes to Thai food, what comes to mind? Well, it is lemongrass. Today, it's all about exotic summer refreshing drinks using lemongrass. Welcome back and thank you for joining me. Today is all about green color. We're going to use lemongrass in syrup, and of course this is another local brand. You can use any brand that's available to you, and then we are going to pair it to make it more natural. Typical of my channel, I don't like it to be too synthetic using syrup, so I'm going to pair my lemongrass with lime. And of course, to garnish, I'm going to use pandan leaves. For these drinks that we're going to make today, I'm going to make 3 different types of drinks using this syrup. We are going to make lemongrass paired with lime and green tea. Another one is lemongrass paired with lime and black tea. For my black tea, I use Earl Grey tea. 2 bags of Earl Grey tea, steep it for 10 minutes. And I have my brewed black tea here. Green tea. For my green tea, I use 1 tea bag, steep it for 10 minutes as well, and I have my green tea here. And the third drink, it is going to be sparkling lemongrass, and so we are going to use soda water. And because I'd like this to be a popping boba drink, then I'm going to add green apple popping boba here. So it's a burst of flavor here. Popping boba is perfect for non-milk drinks. So if you're making plain juice, or you're making fruity or Italian soda, or in this case sparkling juice, then you can use popping boba. And what exactly is popping boba? Well, it is one of those that when you put in your mouth, it just pops and there's juice in it. It's not tapioca, and so it is kind of exciting, absolutely optional, but a premium option for your drinks. To prepare our drinks, we are going to start by making our lemongrass juice. The proportion that I use is 1 part syrup to 5 parts water. So I have here 300 milliliters of water, and I'm going to put 60 ml of lemongrass syrup. I love the color of this, very clear green. For the recipe today, they will all be in large 22 ounces cups. Lemongrass, lime, green tea, popping boba. I'm going to mix my ingredients into this measuring cup, so I need 150 ml or 5 ounces of my lemongrass juice. And to this, I am going to squeeze lime. For the syrup, you don't need to add any more sugar syrup, but if you're using a puree, then I would suggest you add some sugar syrup. Okay, syrups are sweet enough, you don't need to add any more sugar into it. Okay, so that is lime and lemongrass, and now we are going to assemble our drink. Pour the lemongrass juice at the bottom of the drink, of the cup. Add a slice of lime there, and pour the green tea over. Now that is looking absolutely delightful. Finish it off with popping boba on top, all green in color. Going to be very generous here, but if you're doing this for your shops, then you should measure it for consistency. And we have our lemongrass, lime, green tea, popping boba. On to our next drink, our lemongrass, lime, black tea, popping boba. It is going to be similar. I need 150 ml or 5 ounces of my lemongrass juice, and to this I am going to squeeze lime. Pour the lemongrass lime juice over. Our topping, which is the Earl Grey black tea. Now that looks absolutely delicious too. Beautiful. And we're going to finish it with our green popping boba. Our lemongrass lime black tea popping boba. For our final drink, it is our sparkling lemongrass lime. For this one, I'm going to put 4 pumps of our lemongrass syrup, 2, 3, 4. You can always adjust the sweetness level depending on your preferences. Because this is a large cup, I'll just add another pump more. And for this, it's very simple, really. Just put a bit of your soda water there. Fill your cup with ice. For this one, there is no other topping other than the soda, so I'm going to fill it to the top with soda water. Add a slice of lime to garnish, and that special pandan leaf there. And then the final touch to this one is the popping boba. And this is our sparkling lemongrass lime. Sparkling lemongrass lime, lemongrass lime black tea, and lemongrass lime green tea. Lemongrass drinks, wow, can you go more exotic than this? Lemongrass lime and then pandan leaves. Well, this is Thailand. Time for the moment of truth. This is my sparkling lemongrass lime. That popping boba just popped in my mouth. I love the taste of this. It's very citrusy, and the color is absolutely delightful. Perfect for hot summer months. And then I'm going to try my black tea and compare it with the one using green tea as base. Okay, give it a stir. It's a little bit too full. And I've taken the lid off because I want to try the popping boba as well. Let me just try that. There's nothing in there. It just pops and then nothingness. Wow, the taste of that tea with the lime and the lemongrass. I am liking this one. I love the taste of Earl Grey tea. It is citrusy, bergamot, and then of course combine it with lime and lemongrass. I cannot tell you how refreshing this one tastes like. And now for our green tea base. I love the color of this. It just makes it like, ooh, the straw also pops up. No why, no idea why. Okay, well anyway, lemongrass lime with green tea. Pop and nothing. So sweet, that popping boba. Wow. I must say, if I have to rank the 3 of them, they're all equally good. I would actually go for this one as my #1 choice for this 3 drinks. The taste of that tea simply stands out here with that lime and the lemongrass taste. Perfect combinations. There you go, 3 delicious lemongrass lime drinks here. You can add this to your menu, or you can simply try this at home to serve for your family and friends. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.